Hello my friends, we are going to do a wig unboxing today, and this one's really special because this wig and this wig are both from the Push hair collection at Wig Studio 1, and I have been wearing this one like non-stop this summer. I love her so much. I love the way she moves. She's just so sassy and cute. And this one is Bernadette, and she is in a belle tress color. So she is in the Butterbeer Blonde. Andrea, owner of Wig Studio 1, she's developed her own hairline, and she's partnered with belle tress. So she has the belle tress colors, at least the ones that are really important that we all love. Another thing about these wigs is they are pretty reasonably priced for a luxury wig. So if you want to get into the luxury wigs and you just can't afford those belle tress prices, check out this line. I have 3 of them so far, and I adore every single one of them. Okay, let's get into this. All right, are you ready? She always puts in this nice card. Very lovely. Okay, do I have her right side up? That's the big question. Oh, I do. Look at that. So everyone that has the Butterbeer Blonde seemed to adore it. So I'm really excited to get this color. Right off the bat, look at these curls. So she is kind of like this one, but she has these little wavy curls at the end. It looks like she's pretty flat here, and then it turns into curls here. Look at those. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Really elegant. She's gonna make me feel really elegant with these curls. Now, of course, if you want less curl, you can put a hot iron through it and just lessen them, but I think they are really nice. Look at this root that she has in the Butterbeer Blonde. And let's just talk about her construction before I put her on, which is always the best part. Oh, right, we have a full monofilament top. Look at all that parting space, and you're just gonna see your scalp through there. We have a little longer than temple to temple lace here. These lovely velvet ear tabs, and I feel a stay in there, so you can push it right close to your head. Oh, and we have a longer nape. Very nice, so soft, and Velcro straps. And open wefted, so really nice for the summer. Okay, it's time to put her on. Oh, it's so exciting. This one too, just before I take her off, this is Yvette from the Push hair collection. And she's in the mocha with cream. Very pretty. Oh, don't want to mess up any of those curls because they're so pretty. There are tons in the, oh, there, that's way better. Okay, what hairline? Oh, so pretty. Look at those curls. So she is 16 inches long. She has this side swept bane that goes into this curl. So you could pull her up if you wanted to add a little heat, but I'm gonna leave her right like that for right now. And she fits, I put her on my petite head at 21 inches, and she's feeling, she feels like there's a little bit space up here, but I did not pull those tabs in. So, you know, with any wefted cap, I usually have a little space. Look at those curls. I just love them. I love how they fall like right here, like past your, kind of your chin. These little loose, just really, I think this is inspired like by French or Europe, and I'm really feeling that right now. Yes, I am. I'm gonna post some pictures of her after I brushed her out and styled her just a little bit. I just wanna pull this back a little bit and then get that swoop going over there. You have really got to check out this collection by Wig Studio 1. Because this is my 3rd one, and I have loved every single one of them. These fibers are so soft. So what do you think? Oh my goodness, you know how she'd be so cute if you pulled her back and you got these curls? Okay, let's just look. Even though I don't want to mess her up, but look at that. Look how cute that's gonna be. Oh, I love curly wigs for that reason. Like, not curly wigs, but like the ones that have these beautiful like little waves or barrel curls, because when you put them up and back, those curls just fall down. It's so pretty. I am feeling French inspired.